So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the REEKON M1 caliber and the review of it. I received this free from REEKON as a part of their beta group tester, and I am getting their Tomahawk soon. I'm looking forward to that one. Looks like a great product. So they sent me the fence, an adapter just in case I need it, and they sent me the M1 caliber itself. So I'm going to get these unboxed and set up. See how well they're packaged and everything. Oh wow, it comes in a very dense protected thing. You got to use this as a case afterward. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I'll survive a really big fall, I think. That is really nice. So there's the M1 itself. Looks like it comes with a sticker and instructions. That's really nice. I like that. Alright, let's put that case aside. So there's the M1 itself and the adapter now. I'm not sure if I'll need the adapter, but it's better to have it just in case. Yeah, so that's a very hefty wooden adapter. I'm not sure if I'll use that. We'll see if it fits on or not. Yeah, it'll get on no matter what, but that's interesting. Alright. So there's what comes in the box. Alright, now I'm going to read the instructions and get to setting it up. Alright, so it looks like I will need the adapter fence. Since my saw is a small saw, I use it for traveling and jobs on the go. So it's attached with 4 small screws. But that's easy enough. Alright, so now I should be able to saw right through it. And there we go. Adapter is attached. And then now, the tool itself, you can see it has this thing here, and you kind of crank it down, and then you lock it with that. And that's how it grabs onto the metal part. So it's really easy to take on and off. So just put it on there, crank it down, put a little piece up, and it's on, and this pops down. So it's really simple and easy to use. And it goes up if you're not using it. So it doesn't come with the 2 AA batteries you will need for it, but this little port on the side right here where you can install them. Really easy little screw to take off. And then you just pop this on and tighten her up. And I should be able to turn it on now. Take the screen cover off. There we go. Now we've got to put it in calibration mode. Alright, so for calibration mode, it says you hold these 2 buttons and then you click the 3rd button. So I hold these 2, and I click this. See if it worked. Try that again. 2 buttons, click that. Yep, that's the calibration mode. That's easy enough. So now you're supposed to slide it. Let's see. Slide it until it's slightly past the blade. Alright, done. And then you cut it. And now you take a trusted measuring tape and you measure, let's see here, 6 feet exactly. So we'll make a cut measuring tape 6 feet exactly. So then we see. Now we hit the 0 button. And we go 6 feet. And then, let's see. You align this perfectly with the blade. And you click this button. There, done. Now it's calibrated. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, looks like we're set up. And now we can get to cutting. Alright, so it looks like you do have to enter your blade width as well, which you hold this button down until it shows it here, and then you turn this wheel to select your blade width and you confirm it. So now it's accurate. Like the first one I did was a 1/16 short. As soon as I enter my blade width, I'm good now. So that's how you fix that issue. So looks like I'm all set to start going and testing a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to do a test run of 6-inch pieces. So I'm right against the blade. So I'm going to do the reset. And then go forward until I'm at 6 inches. Right there. And then just dead on, 6 inches. So it looks like this is going to work perfectly. So let's run a couple other test ones. I'll put the camera closer so it can be seen better. Alright, so you put it to, make sure just a little bit so you can see better. Make a cut, or you can just put it to the blade. And you hit the right there. That's the 0 button. That's either adding the 16th because my blade width. And I can draw it down 6 inches. If it's already there, I can hit it again and just keep on going. 6 inches. Hit it again. Alright, let's check all these. 6 inches. 6 inches. And 6 inches. So, this thing's awesome. It'll make cutting much faster. I love using this thing. You can also change the type of measurement. See, centimeters, millimeters, meters, inches plus a fraction. And there's different ways of displaying it. You know, if you want to use fractions or not. But I like to use fractions. So yeah, this is going to be awesome in the field. Just pop this bad boy out, make a bunch of quick, easy cuts, and go from there. Overall, I think this thing is awesome. It's going to make productivity a lot better. Let's see. I'm going to clip it. There. Get a close-up of everything. It's the buttons. So yeah, this is the clip thing, and back there is a little thing to make it stick. Essentially, you stick that in so it stays clipped. You got the springs to hold it, and when you store it, you can retract this, and it clicks right in. It stores right in the case. Yeah, overall, this thing is awesome. It's gonna make productivity much better, especially with repetitive cuts. It'll be much easier. And another great feature with this is REEKON is releasing an app soon, which allows you to like mount your phone, like say right here next to the saw, and someone with the Tomahawk measuring tape can come in, do measurements, click a button, and they get sent to the cut person, and they can just cut all day long. I don't think I can show you guys that app. I have access to it, but I don't have the Tomahawk yet, so I can't check that integration. But that'll be amazing when that comes out. So I'm looking forward to the Tomahawk a lot. But yeah, overall, this thing is amazing. I'm going to use this at work, and it's going to be awesome. And I'll post updates on how well it does and everything in the field, with durability and everything. But it seems pretty well constructed. Springs seem strong. Plastic seems pretty strong. The buttons seem very, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like very thick, not just like dinky little buttons. So I think it'll last pretty well in the field, especially with a nice case to hold it in and everything. So yeah, I love this thing. I'm going to use this a lot. And thank you, REEKON, for sending me a free one to try out and give my honest opinion on.